Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a prayer that says
Hi everyone, it's Keisha the Crafty Planner. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be planning in my Skinny Classic Happy Planner. This is actually the Planner Babe cover for the Happy Notes in that line, but it is the inside of the Rongrong Skinny Classic Planner. So I kind of use this for a little bit of everything. Right now I've been doing social media stuff in here that's on the go. Like if I leave home but I need to make sure I snap a picture or upload a picture to Facebook or Instagram, then I write it in my planner just in case I'm not home to look in my social media planner, if that makes sense. So I'm going to be planning for the, well, let's see, first here's a look at last week, and I still have to put a list here, but this is pretty much done. And I'm planning for the week of January 27th through February 2nd. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these off the disc and put that to the side. Now this week, I've been trying to kind of pair books together that you wouldn't normally think go together, I guess. Trying to get one spread using two coordinating books. So this week I'm choosing the horizontal layout planner, sticker book, along with Simply Lovely. And to pair this up, I've also pulled some of my Simply Gilded washi tape. This is kind of like a mauve with kind of the copper color bows. So we'll see how that works, if I can incorporate that as well. I'm in a group on Facebook. It's called Use Your Happy Planner Stash. So I'm trying to really use things that I have and things I don't normally reach for. Now the washi tape is a big thing that I collect, not necessarily use. So I'm really trying to put using my things into practice. So I say I'm going to use it, but I never do. So I'm trying to stop hoarding things. So I'm going to dive in and see what I can do with these materials. I'll speed this video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, I am done. So I kind of like how that spread turned out. It's definitely a lot of floral. I think these two kind of went well together. Using that one section of florals from the horizontal layout, being able to cut down some of the boxes to make them fit. So I think that turned out pretty good. Let's put it back on the disc. And as you can see, the washi did not work out. That's probably why I have so much of it. I really need to figure out how to use it within a spread, I guess. But what I was doing just was not working, so I took it all off. But all in all, I like how it turned out. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.